Hi guys, Lorraine here from makemoneyonline-niches.com, and today I am just doing a quick overview video of a product that I reviewed back in December. That product is YT Velocity and basically brought to you by John Newman and Cynthia benitez. And now what I'm going to do is feed in the review that I did back in 2021 in the December. Then I'm going to take you over to my bonus page and explain the bonuses that are available if you wanted to pick up YT Velocity through this flash sale. Basically it's now going on this flash sale starting 9th of August to the 12th of August, and you can pick up the front end of YT Velocity for $7.95. On the back end of this, as you will see when I go through the funnel, there is an opportunity for people to pick up a one-to-one sort of coaching for 20 people only at a higher ticket price. Now that is $9.97, where you can get coaching from 2 people who have actually been there, done it, dug the trenches and made money from selling their own products online. So the next thing that you're going to see is the review for the training for YT Velocity. Then after that, my bonus page and the bonuses I had available. So let's get started. First of all, we have welcome videos from John Newman, and we have some buttons here for signing up to advanced training. We've got their YouTube channels. We have a welcome from Cynthia as well, and then under here we've got a subscribe to her YouTube channel. Now the main training is all down the left hand side, so all you need to do to access the training is to click on these red buttons here. So your module 1 has got your main training, which covers the overview. It covers setting up a YouTube channel. It covers, do I actually need to put my face on these videos? Well, the answer to that one is no, but once you build your confidence, I would suggest then yes, you will like to put your face on these videos and, you know, give some confidence and build your self-esteem, and you know, people get to know you then. Then you've got tools that you need to get started. You've got how to come up with content ideas fast. Then you've got your done for you content ideas and keywords. You've got ranking factors, uploading ranking videos, optimizing your video for maximum ranking, the secret ranking hacks, authority commenting, and the importance of thumbnails, which thumbnails are the cover that goes over the video, so that when people click to your channel, they get an idea straight away of what that video is, and if it's appealing, then they want to think, right, okay, that's it, I'll click on there. Then you've got a video which is IFTTT, which is basically if this, then that. It's a software, and this is an introduction to a platform that helps you to use a syndication to actually push out your YouTube videos to various social media platforms, to your website, to Facebook, to Twitter, to Instagram, or wherever it is. It helps to syndicate your content and spread it far and wide, and that is something that is very useful. Then turning your rankings into money, so that is in module 1. So there's a lot of content in module 1. Then you've got module 2, module 3, which takes you through case studies and how they've made their money. So you've got $100 a day case study with launch tracking. You've got another case study, how we made $303 in 48 hours. Then there's a super affiliate campaign case study, which is a walkthrough on that one, A to Z. Then you've got module 4, which is the conclusion in the next step. And then you've got all of the bonuses here, which are described in this section, an unannounced bonus, then all of the resources that are available, and then if you decide to do an upgrade, that's in module 8. Now the resources that are available are all linked
here at this side. So you've got advanced training call, you've got traffic domination Facebook group, you've got Groove Funnels account, which is a free account, you've got 4 lead generation funnels, you've got 14-day free trial to ClickMagick, which is a cloaking for affiliate links and tracks clicks and tells you where your traffic's coming from. Then you've got a free Aweber account. Then you've got your follow-up email series. You've got solo ad traffic, which is another method of traffic generation. Then you've got Udemy solo ad traffic, and I've used Udemy myself. You've got secret funnel strategies. And then you've got free website and niche affiliate marketing membership. You've got a webinar with John for ClickBank #1 seller. Then you have a 1 funnel away challenge, and then you've got Commission Gorilla, which I actually use myself as well, which is a bonus page builder. So those are all the resources that you can get access to within the YT Velocity program by John Newman and Cynthia Benitez. And that is my review for today. And so if you're wanting to pick up YT Velocity, don't forget, the first link in the description box below this video will take you through to my bonus page.
Okay, so this is my bonus page for YT Velocity, and from the 9th of August until the 20th of August 2022, this actual product is on a flash sale. So let's have a look at the prices for the funnel and the bonuses I have available if you make a decision to pick up a YT Velocity through my link in the description box. It's the first link below in the description box. So let's take a look now. So basically YT Velocity is going to take you through a training program. We've just looked at that from last year's review that I did in 2021. It was December 2021. So this is like the secret blueprint that's going to unlock your set and forget and you buy your traffic from Google and YouTube in just 15 minutes. So here you go. It's the flash sale starting in August and ending on the 12th. It's going to show you how to rank your YouTube and your Google fast. And so here are the prices and the upsells through this flash sale. So the front end is $7.95, and you've got an upgrade, one time $37, upgrade 2 $47, upgrade 3 $197, upgrade 4 $47, and upgrade 5 $997. Now that's a mentor program of beta testers. So basically, let's have a look. We've got the front end, which is the secret blueprint, unlocking your set and forget by your traffic from Google and YouTube. And then you've got the advanced strategies to make it even more money. Then you've got the done for you campaigns. So you don't have to do any of the work yourself. It's a copy and paste to make money, monetize your YouTube channel, done for you bonuses and pages every week, 365 days, one-time funnel email swipes, and you will require Commission Gorilla for a bonus pages on that, and ClickFunnels for your funnel. Then you've got Steal Their Traffic, which basically is that you can put a pixel on their sales pages of previous products, and then you would be able to steal their traffic. Then you've got Quadruple Your Reseller Rights, which is another upsell, which is going to let you sell YT Velocity as your own product, and then keep 100% of the commissions across the entire funnel. And obviously you get extra commissions for that. And the fifth one, like I said, it's like a mentorship thing, super affiliate method. It's $997. You could join the beta tester group, and that's the coaching and mentoring program, and that means that it's where they work with you personally to lead you to success. Now that has a limit of 20 people only. So Some of the key benefits if you're interested in getting this product: it's a brand new traffic system, it's going into a flash sale for 2022, proven beginner friendly, 100% free buyer traffic direct from Google and YouTube, all inclusive income solution including monetization in any different niche. Everything that you need to succeed is included in the training, the easiest and fastest way to generate recurring commissions and from free traffic, so no extra spending there. So let's have a look at the bonuses that I've put together for this particular YT Velocity flash sale throughout these last few days in August. Let's see. We've got YouTube ads course, which will obviously complement this training. Then you have bonus video training, how to get 2,000 in 20 minutes on Facebook. Then my third bonus is 40 high quality lead magnets to build your list. And my fourth bonus is build your buyer's list while profiting. And my fifth bonus is mega bonus marketing bundle. Facebook, WordPress, email, YouTube, you name it. And then I have a special invite, which is a free web class. You can sign up for that. And you would still get access to all of the vendor bonuses if you decide to pick up YT Velocity through my link in the description box below this video. So those are my bonuses, and any of these buttons here, these orange buttons, will take you through to the sales page for YT Velocity, where you can pick it up at that low front end price of $7.95. And obviously if you're wanting to collect any of the bonuses, this is where you will get your sales receipt for the product, and the blue button on the Warrior Plus receipt will take you through to the bonuses, and you can pick those up there. So this is my bonus page. Like I say, it's the first link in the description box below the video if you want to take a look at the bonuses and have a look at the sales page. Just click through any of the orange buttons. So this is my review for YT Velocity, brought to you by John Newman and Cynthia Benitez. And basically it's all I have for you for today, but subscribe to my channel if you like more of this type of content, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.